Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you very much for coming to the press conference of the Goa Trinamool Congress. We have with us Sushmita Dev, a Rajya Sabha MP. We have with us Reginaldo, and we have with us Father Michael Roberto, who's a priest. I will start the press conference by asking Reginaldo to say a few words, and then I'll say something, then Sushmita will say something, and then we'll open it up to questions. Thank you, Reginaldo.
जायत लोक म्हाका हेचा मेळपा येयले 7 दीस जाले हांव तृणमूल काँग्रेस जॉयन जाला आनी पयलीं तरी कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स ऑफ द सिजन सगळे आमच्या लोकांक आनी आज आमी एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दवरला जायत लोकांक म्हाका येवन सांगिल्लें बाबा आमी तुका सपोर्ट आहा आमी तुमकां हें कोत्ताय आमी तुका सपोर्ट कोत्ताय आमी तुका हेल्प कोत्ताय म्हणून सो तेका लागून आज थोड्या लोकांक आपयलें आज आमगे सपोर्ट दाखोवपाक आनी आज आमी जेन्ना इतले लोक येयले आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक आमी आमगे विशीस तृणमूल काँग्रेसान कित्याक जॉयन जाले कित्याक आमगे लोकां लागून आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलें खंय तरी आमकां दिसलें आनी कॉन्फिडंट आहाय आमी की आमी बरे पोजिशनाचे आमगे लोकां वतले आमगे लोक आमकां जाय तेंगे जाय ज्वलन प्रश्न आहाय तेंगेले तेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन तेंगेली कामां आहाय फॉर एग्जाम्पल तेंगेले जायत पुलीस स्टेशन आहा तेंगेले प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आहा आमगे लोकांगे गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम आहा सो हे सगळे इश्यू सॉल्व करपाक हे इश्यू जे बीजेपीन गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आजून देखून सॉल्व केले 10 वर्सां जालीं आनी आमी पार्टी जॉयन जाले जी पार्टी एगेन्स्ट द बीजेपी म्हणजे खंयचे केसीन आमी बीजेपी कडेन कसलेच आमकां रिलेशनशीप ना आनी तेच भाशेन आमी ही पार्टी जॉयन जायन बीजेपीक टक्कर मारपाक ही कॅपेसिटी आहा बीजेपी जर तरी आमी आज उडयतले जाल्यार आमी हे पार्टीक रावन तेगे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तेगे सगळें काम जे पर्यंत आज पर्यंत तेंको आहा ते जायत पार्टीको ना थोड्याच टायमा भितर तेणी कितें सिग्निफिकंट मूव केले हे मूव आमी लोकां पर्यंत व्हरपाचे आनी आमगे लोकांक पावरान हाडपाक आमगे लोकांक पावर दिवपाक आमगे लोकांक तेंगे ज्वलन तेंगे प्रश्न सेटल करपाक प्लस हे जॉब्सांचेर आज आमगे जायत भुरग्यांक जॉब्स नाय गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्स आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी मेळनाय जायत कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी तेंगे जॉब मेळटात सिलेक्टेड कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जॉब मेळटाय आमकां जॉब मेळना आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आमी कितें केलां आमी 3 टर्म आमकां निवडून हाडल्या लोकांनी कितकोन आमकां हे लोकांगे प्रश्न सॉल्व करता तेका लागून आमी डिसिजन घेयलें लोकां पासून की आमी तृणमूल काँग्रेसात जॉयन जातले म्हणून आनी हे डिसिजनाचेर आमी आज हास्याचे येयले आमकां आमगे लिडर येयले तेय उलयतले सो मागता तांकां उलोवपाक
Thank you very much. We're very proud that people of Kurtori have given Reginaldo not to the TMC but to the future of Goa. This is the way forward, and I applaud him for his courage, for having joined the right path and the right movement. Because today the fight is not just for the people of Kurtori, the fight is for the people of India. And this is a fight that is not just a political fight. I think it's a moral fight, it's a cultural fight, it's actually even a spiritual fight, where we are fighting against forces that are destroying this land everywhere we go. And people have to take a step back and see what people's decisions are in that perspective. Why is the Trinamool in Goa, and why is Reginaldo come to us? These are questions that you must be asking, that you have asked, that Reginaldo has answered from the heart very passionately a couple of days ago, and there's really nothing more to say about his decision after what he's spoken. The BJP and what they've done to the fabric of India the last 5 years. Apart from that, if you see what they've done in Goa and to the development of Goa, the people of Goa, and we've repeated this many times, did not want the BJP. They did not vote for the BJP. The BJP got only 13 seats. But the party which had won 17 seats were not interested in forming a government. They, as the single largest party, did not go to the governor and say that we stake a claim. Reginaldo belonged to a party that started off with 17 MLAs but ended up with only 3 MLAs in the house. Not for any fault of his. He did the right thing. He was loyal. He stayed the course.
but he couldn't do work, and now again after 5 years there is a fight against the BJP, and again he was on a platform where they did not know where the fight is against. Are you going to fight within the party or are you going to fight the BJP? So I think he has taken the right decision at the right time. It takes a lot for someone when you're announced as the candidate of a party, your name has come out in a list, to leave and then to go. And I think that is courage, and the reason he's done that is the reason why I also have left that party. Sushmita has also left. And the reason is not that we have anything big or hate against the party or anything like that. It's when you are fighting divisive forces, we need a 1:1 strong fight. BJP versus us. And that's the fight that we need to fight. The other parties are unable to fight the good fight. The people of Goa have given them a chance. They've done nothing. You saw on the 25th of December, there are so many Christians in Goa. More than 20% of Goa is made up of Christians. And let me tell you, on the 25th of December, on Christmas Day, what did this BJP do? You saw in Gurgaon, children's Christmas carnival is being stopped. You saw in Karnataka that boys from the youth wings of the BJP are going into churches, disturbing them, breaking windows. They are going in and they are telling normal people from the community why you are attending Christmas party. You saw they stopped the FCRA registration of the Missionaries of Charity, which helps the poor and the destitute. We are from Calcutta, where the Missionaries of Charity are closely associated with all of us. They don't just help Christians, they've helped the poor and the destitute. So how is it that you feel very happy and the BJP feels happy when Mother Teresa wins a Nobel Prize, and then we're all Indians, and then we shut down the very institution that she has worked for and created her whole life? So these are questions we must ask, and that every single person must ask. The time has come to fight the fight. We have entered only 3 months ago, but we have launched the scheme Griha Lakshmi, like in Bengal, which has got 1.5 lakh families registered under the scheme in less than a month. 1.5 lakh families. And nobody stopped the BJP from creating schemes like that. Who stopped them? Everywhere I go, I have been traversing the state of Goa. Everywhere I go, people tell me all BJP is doing is grabbing land. In every panchayat, comunidad land they are grabbing. Every panchayat they are fudging details. You see in old Goa where they've done the same thing. You see the 3 linear projects. Everywhere you do, you see the Kala Academy tender. Apart from corruption, their own MLAs, that there's a recruitment scam. So when there are your own MLAs bringing down the government, then it's very clear that this is a government that is not going to win majority this time. This is a government where we need to bring them down. Reginaldo has done absolutely the right thing. He's dedicated himself to the future of Goa. That is why I am here. That is why Sushmita is here. That is why Mamta Didi is here. Not to take over Goa, but to give Goans a platform and to give Goans a symbol on which to stand and fight and defeat the BJP. To bring in good governance, to bring in the very schemes that we have got in Bengal. There are at least 10 good schemes in Bengal that have voted us back to power. Tell me one scheme the BJP government has done. They say we have got a scheme called the Griha Aadhar scheme. What has the Griha Aadhar scheme done? Gaus Mohammed, who's driving my car, his wife says for the past 7 months, she has not got the money on the Griha Aadhar scheme. Past 7 months. Ask all your people. Ask everybody. Everywhere there are 6-month, 5-month delays and backlogs on payment of this Griha Aadhar scheme, because they have issued a scheme where they will give X amount of money and they have budgeted only Y amount of money. They have not even budgeted the total amount that you need to pay out. So I think in terms like this, the people of Goa are ready to vote out the BJP. Reginaldo has done the right thing. We are here at the right time. The time we start is what is the right time. There is nothing known as late or delay. This is the right time. We are going to win and we are going to bring good governance to Goa. So thank you very much. I'll give it over to Sushmita now.
Mahua, who's my learned colleague, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. And I'm extremely happy that a mass leader like Reginaldo has joined All India Trinamool Congress. We both served the Congress party for very long, and I believe that giving him the recent appointment in INC, I think it was working president, came as an afterthought. Why did it come as an afterthought? I can tell you, is because the feedback from the people of Goa was that as a leader he was neglected. The community he comes from was underrepresented in the Indian National Congress, and it came as a last minute thought. For a leader who's a 3 times MLA chosen repeatedly by his people, I welcome him to All India Trinamool Congress, and I am confident that under his leadership, the kind of vision he has, the kind of passion and commitment he has for the people, I have absolutely no doubt that he will become stronger and All India Trinamool Congress will also become stronger in Goa. And I want to tell him and his supporters, because I think a MP who's elected or a MLA who's elected, I have also fought Lok Sabha. Mahua ji is from Lok Sabha seat. He's a 3 times MLA. His strength is his people. Today his strength is his people, and we want to assure him and assure his supporters and voters that the fight that Reginaldo believes in ideologically against a fascist communal party like the Bharatiya Janata Party, we stand together in that fight, and in the entire nation. It is not just about Goa, it's not just about Bengal, it's not just about Assam. In the entire nation, it is one leader who's repeated the BJP consistently election after election. It is Mamata Banerjee, who is the Chief Minister of Bengal. And that is one single reason that All India Trinamool Congress has come to Goa. We have not come here to do any mining. We have not come here to do any illegal construction like the BJP and other parties are doing. We have not come here to do communal politics. We have come here to do a politics of good governance. Question is, why should you believe me? I will tell Reginaldo that you invite some.
Clearly, when they decided, you will know, sir.
If we decide, we will with pride go ahead and
Tell you.
tell you. It's not an issue.
But it will be decided by considering alliance partners. They will be taken into
Sir,
consideration.
in due time, we will let you know everything. The
With
election
time.
has not even been the election has not even been announced yet. Obviously, if you're in an alliance, that you will speak to your alliance partners. If you are entering into an alliance, will you do a unilateral process? Obviously, it will be done with talking to everybody. These are, well, like she said, democratic processes we follow.
Is that it?
No, Reginald, can I? Okay, now when every time तुका ते क्वेश्चन येताले पळय सतरा असले बारीक जाले मागीर ट्रायसायकल पार्टी मागीर रिक्षा पार्टी हे जाले when you left they only left with 2 MLAs. So was it a very difficult decision for you, because initially when TMC came in you were reluctant to join TMC and afterwards you have joined TMC?
See, it is a decision that has been taken and thought out decision. So there is no any difference of opinion. I have made up my mind to join the Trinamool Congress. It's in the interest of my people, and that is the way forward to reaching a place where in Congress party we cannot reach. The infrastructure that's available, the teams that is available, the work that is available here will certainly help us reach. See, it is a new avenue for better prospects of my people. And secondly, it is a, see, decision has been taken, and now we are going to fight on it. We are going to go to my people, and that's it.
तू स्ट्रॅटेजी म्हणटालो त्यांची कडेन स्ट्रॅटेजी आसा म्हटलेली
Mango
तुवें
strategy
कुर्तोरीम तुका स्ट्रॅटेजीची गरज ना न्ही तूं 3 फावटी जिखून येयल्लो आसा तुजी स्ट्रॅटेजी वूड बी देयर स्ट्रॅटेजी न्हू.
So my strategy and theirs will coordinate and make it, how to get it done efficiently to see the result. That's the way.
तुम्ही आता इलेक्शन आसा कितली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तुमी लढयतले आनी जातले तुमी तुमचे कडेन सगळे 21 सीट हाडपाक काय काँग्रेसी कडेन अलायन्स करतले आनी खंय
See, हांवें सांगिलां सगळ्यांक एकठांय जावपा जाय नाजाल्यार आमकां BJP जगणो नासना. See, हांवें म्हणलां सगळ्यांनी those who are against the BJP, आतां whoever is interested should come. I have not said this. When I was in the party, when I was an MLA in the party, Girish went and gave cake. When I was an MLA of the party, when I was sitting MLA, my ticket was delayed. 6 months I'm waiting for formalities to start of the election process. I said every time I said let's join together, let's start, let's do. काय ना म्हणटाले न्ही तेंगे movements within 3 months. They have reached a level where it is coming at least, you know, in the domain of the fight. पयलीं कितें जातालें पयलीं तुमी कांय ना म्हणटाले. So कितले fast तेणी केलां? It's because they have that intent to fight the BJP. Intent जाय न्ही? Intent जाय.
The Congress had run governments in Goa for most of the time since independence, right? The Congress, in spite of doing that, last time, even after winning, 17 seats could not form a government. So it doesn't matter how much time you have been there and how much you've planned and everything. They have been in power, they have had so many chief ministers, they've won 17 seats. Even after that, after winning 17 seats, you could not form a government. And then you are saying we are late or we are early.
Regional,
Right.
you had almost covered nearly 50% of the constituency, asking the people to vote for the Congress, not to leave the Congress. These are your votes. How you will go back to these very same people and now to request them to vote for the TMC?
I am confident that I will go back to my people and I will explain to them. And I am confident they will stay with me. They have seen my work for the last 3 terms. Irrespective of how much support I got from the party, I have stood by the people. It's time when I explain to my people, and I have full confidence and faith that my people will stay with me.
On your birthday, when you are asked whether you are going to join BJP in presence of Sawant, who came here specially with Michael Lobo, you said anything is possible. And then again you were asked whether you want to be deputy CM in BJP government. You said yes, deputy CM. Those are your words. Now, how would you explain that?
If you go back at that stage, I was targeted, I would join the BJP. By my own people. How much of faith they had in me. Who was the person who projected candidates on me? When I was in the same party, my own party leaders projected candidates on me. It was very clear. A cake was given to a BJP candidate on his birthday, who is now a BJP candidate. Who promoted it? All these reasons, if you go back at how I was treated in the Congress party, and if they are going to talk against me, when I was in the party, when I was an MLA in the party,
PTI, Press Trust of India. It seems that there was initial reluctance on the part of Kurtorin people to accept Alex Reginald. Now you will have to do something wherein his acceptance level increases. What are the things that you would like to do?
Are you talking, is that towards me or towards Reginald?
I'm asking you.
Asking me?
Yeah.
Acceptance of acceptance of, I find the question a little strange, sir, because you're talking about the acceptance of Reginaldo. Reginaldo is an
No, I mean
elected.
to say he is changing political party at the last minute of the election.
Okay, given, I think that question's a bit rich, given that in the 2017 elections, there were 10 MLAs who were elected on Congress tickets and moved over to the BJP literally after the election. So, they stayed 5 years and worked in their constituencies. I don't think that matters. There's no such thing as a last minute. The time that you see the dawn and is when when you open your eyes is when you see the dawn. For you, when you open your eyes is when dawn starts. So I think that is the truth here as well. The Trinamool is here in time before the elections to give people an alternative, and Reginaldo has joined us. He's a 3-time MLA, and it is he on whom that the Congress symbol won here. It is he. It is not that he won on the Congress ticket. It is because Congress got one more seat because of Reginaldo the person. And we believe with Reginaldo coming here, the acceptance of Reginaldo as a person, as a leader, his connection is with the people of Kottaram, and we believe that by his moving here, that is not a bond that is over 15 years at least of his electoral life is going to go away. So combination of Reginaldo and a combination of Mamata Banerjee's platform, will be even better for the people of Kottari.
Madam, I'm Sushant from Gomantak. Is he your chief minister face?
Is he a chief ministerial face? No, I'm sorry, sir. That is a question that will be when we go to polls with a chief ministerial face. Believe me, you will know all about it. So I don't think that is a question that is extremely premature. That's a question our leader will be deciding, and definitely only after the MCC has been announced.
But are you even considering him as chief minister?
Because
Sorry, sir, that question is way above my pay grade, sir. I don't think that
You are
that
in
can
charge
be.
of
No,
Goa, that's it.
That's above my pay grade because it's Mamta Banerjee is the person who is in charge of the party, and as a party, we will go to. I can promise you this: when we go to the polls, it will be with the chief ministerial face, but that's not something that I can declare right now.
Can I
Have
say
you
something?
decided or you yet to decide?
Huh? See, let me tell
Decided
you.
or yet to decide?
Please understand. There is a democratic process by which a chief minister is selected. Either the party decides before election.
I think we're finished now. Thank
That
you.
was on last birthday.
Last question.
This birthday, all was settled. You only announced.
I answered yesterday many questions.
What went wrong after that?
I answered many questions.
You were with Priyanka Gandhi moving along with her right from Double Airport to Aswalla. 10 days later, you switched sides. What made you that in a 10 days?
I have explained. I said that there was no even intent to fight the BJP. Nothing was happening on the ground. There was more traction. As an opposition, were we fighting the BJP? Were there statements
Did you
from the opposition leader?
Did you communicate
From
to
the
your
opposition leader? I am always fighting. I am always telling them. Even the MGP, I said, let us form an alliance with the MGP. Let us do something. Let us see the fight. The moment MGP goes and joins the BJP, it is a clear-cut, cut-out victory for the BJP. Now, who stopped the MGP from going there? It is the TMC, not the Congress party. So, if that had gone first only, without this, see now, let's see the rise in the party. See the intent to fight the BJP.
But the Congress leader said that they had met most of your demands. After your birthday
And
here.
if our demand is Congress should first have a strong leader,
Question is for
then we'll fight the election.
Question is for Reginald, madam.
Never asked anything with anybody. There is no question of any demand.
Even they are saying that
Let
you
them-
were given some
They will say a lot of things.
monetary.
They will say a lot of things. It is easy to say, then it's done. For the last 2 terms, I fought everything on my own. All issues I took up, everything. In the assembly, out of the assembly. I went alone, but never did I say that I was not a Congress member. In spite of not being even asked, how do I manage? So where is the question of now saying that you have given me something?